Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are starting question number 4 of exercise 1.3 of class 11 maths. It says solve these questions simultaneously. What does solve mean? Solve means that we have to find the answers of the variables used in the equations. Here the variables are z and w, so we have to find the value of z and also the value of w. These equations simultaneously. Now, how to solve any equations simultaneously? It means that we have to solve the given equations together. We have to use both these equations to find the values of these variables. So, we are going to start with these two equations. Okay. First of all, we are going to write this one as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. Now, we can see here that the coefficient of z is 1 minus iota, coefficient of w is 1 plus iota, coefficient of z in the second equation is 2 and the coefficient of w here is minus into 2 plus 5 iota. Now, we can see that this is a complex number, this is also a complex number, this is not a complex number and this is not a complex number. So, we can find the value of z because it has no complex number as its coefficient. It is much easier than the other ones. So, we are going to write this equation first. 2z minus 2 plus 5 iota into w equals 2 plus 3 iota. Now, we have to separate z, so 2z equals 2 plus 3 iota plus 2 plus 5 iota into w. Now, 2z equals 2 plus 3 iota plus 2w plus 5 iota w. Z equals 2 plus 3 iota plus 2w plus 5 iota w whole divided by 2. Now, we have to put this value of z in equation 1. So, we are going to write here putting z in equation 1. So now 1 minus iota into z. The value of z is this one. So we are going to write here 2 plus 3 iota plus 2w plus 5 iota w whole divided by 2 in plus 1 plus iota into w equals 3. Now sliding a bit down. Okay. Here we are going to multiply this equation with 2, multiplying equation by 2. So now 2 into 1 minus iota into 2 plus 3 iota plus 2w plus 5 iota w. Now we can write this divided by 2 over here with this 2, so we are going to write it here. And then we have to also multiply the 2 with this term, so plus 2 into 1 plus iota into w equals 2 into 3. Now, these are cancelled and now we have to multiply 1 with all of this term and then minus iota with all of this term. So, we get 1 multiplied by this term is this term. So, 2 plus 3 iota plus 2w plus 5 iota w. Now, we have to multiply minus iota with all these terms. So, we get minus 2 iota minus 3 iota square minus 2 iota w. Sorry, just wait a while. Iota w. Okay, then we have minus 5 iota square w, and now the next term would be 2w plus 2 iota w equals to 2 into 3 gives us 6. Now we have to solve all of this. The terms with w will remain on the left side and the other terms are to be shifted towards the right side. So we'll get 2w plus 5 iota w, then minus 2 iota w minus 2 iota w minus 5 w into iota square equals minus 1. So minus 1 over here plus 2w plus 2 iota w equals to 6. Now all the other terms are to be shifted towards the right hand side. So minus 2. Then this plus 3 iota becomes minus 3 iota. Minus 2 iota becomes plus 2 iota. And then minus 3 iota square becomes plus 3 and iota square becomes minus 1. And then all these terms are having w. So we are done. Now what we have to do is to add all those terms that are containing w, and first of all cancel these terms and we get 2w minus 5w into minus 1 gives us plus 5w plus 5 iota, plus this 2w, okay, 2w, and then plus 5 iota w equals 6 minus 2 gives us 4, and this is minus 3. Minus 3 iota plus 2 iota gives us minus iota. Now 2w plus 5w is 7w, sorry 9w, because this 2 is also here, and 9w plus 5 iota w equals 4 minus 3 is 1 minus iota. Now moving a bit downwards. Okay. Now taking w as common, we get 9 plus 5 iota equals 1 minus iota. W equals 1 minus iota divided by 9 plus 5 iota. Now we have to find the value of w, and we can say that we have found it out, but it's not right, because there is a complex number in the denominator, and to remove this complex number, we are going to rationalize it. And how do we rationalize? We multiply and divide it, the given fraction, with the conjugate of the complex number written in the denominator. So the denominator has a complex number 9 plus 5 iota, and its conjugate is going to be 9 minus 5 iota, and we are going to multiply and divide it both with the given fraction. So w equals, now 1 minus iota into 9 minus 5 iota, we get 1 into 9 minus 5 iota minus iota into 9 minus 5 iota whole divided by, we have 9 plus 5 iota into 9 minus 5 iota. It is a plus b to a minus b. What is this formula equal to? I written it over here. A minus b to a plus b equals a square minus b square. So we are going to use it over here. 9 square, because a is 9 and b is 5 iota, so minus 5 iota whole square. It is equal to 9 minus 5 iota. Now we have to multiply this minus iota with this term, so we get minus 9 iota plus 5 iota square whole divided by 9 square is 81 minus 5 square is 25 iota square. Now w equals 9 minus 5 iota minus 9 iota. 9 minus 9 minus 5 minus 9 minus 5 is minus 14 iota, plus 5 into iota square is minus 1 whole divided by 81 minus 25 into minus 1 equals 9 minus 5 minus 14 iota whole divided by 81 plus 25. Here we get 9 minus 5 is 4 minus 14 iota whole divided by 81 plus 25, and we get 106. And here we can take 2 as common, so 2 into 2 minus 7 iota whole divided by 2 into 53. So we get 2 minus 7 iota whole divided by 53. This is your answer for w. Now we have to find z. So we can find z using this equation. Okay, just name it equation 3, and we are going to use this equation to find the value of z. Okay, so it is z equals 2 plus 3 iota plus 2w. 2 plus 3 iota plus how much w? I just forgot. 2w plus 5 iota w. 2w plus 5 iota w and whole divided by 2. Right? Whole divided by 2. Now we have to use the value of w here. So we are first of all going to take w common, and then we are going to find its value. So we get 2 plus 3 iota whole divided by 2. We're just separating these two terms, plus 2 plus 5 iota whole divided by 2 into w is 2 minus 7 iota whole divided by 53. So now we get 2 plus 3 iota whole divided by 2, and now we are going to multiply these two terms, and we get, we should move towards the next line. 2 plus 3 iota whole divided by 2 plus 2 into, now we are going to multiply these two complex numbers, so we get 2 into 2 minus 7 iota plus 5 iota into 2 minus 7 iota whole divided by 2 into 53, we get 106. So now 2 plus 3 iota whole divided by 2 is written as it is, plus 4 minus 14 iota plus 10 iota minus 5 sevens are 35 iota square whole divided by 106. 2 plus 3 iota whole divided by 2 plus 4, and this is minus 1. This is equal to, let me change the color. Okay, this is equal to minus 1, and when this minus and this minus multiply, we get positive sign. Yes, so plus 35 is your answer. So we are going to use it over here as 4 plus 35 is 39 minus 4 iota whole divided by, how do we get minus 4 iota? Because minus 14 plus 10 is minus 4 and divided by 106. So now we are going to take LCM. 2 into 53s are 106. So we are going to multiply this whole term with 56. So 56 into 2, not 56, it is 53. Okay. 53 into 2 plus 3 iota plus 39 minus 4 iota whole divided by 106 equals 53 into 2 is 106 plus 53 into 3, we get 159 iota plus 39 minus 4 iota whole divided by 106. Now Z equals 106 plus 39 is 106 plus 39 is 145 plus 159 minus 4 is 155. 155 iota whole divided by 106. And this is your answer for Z. This is one of your answers. And the other is W. So we have already solved it. Here it is. Its answer. Now we are going to do part number 2. It says 2 iota Z plus 3 minus 2 iota into W equals 1 plus iota, and the second equation is 1 minus 2 iota into Z plus 3 plus 2 iota into W equals 5 plus 6 iota. So for this, all of them contain imaginary part. Here we can see Z contains imaginary part, W contains imaginary part. Again, in the second equation, Z also has an imaginary part and W also. So we cannot separate it using this formula or this technique. So how are we going to do it in this question is that by adding these two equations, we can see that 3 minus 2 iota plus 3 plus 2 iota, so 2 iota and minus 2 iota are cancelled, and we get 3 plus 3 equals 6. And here 2 iota Z and minus 2 iota Z are also cancelled, and we get only Z. So we can use this technique over here. First of all, we are going to name this as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. Now we are going to write here 2 iota Z plus 3W, I'm just opening the brackets, okay, 3W minus 2 iota W equals 1 plus iota, and the second equation is Z minus 2, Z minus 2 iota Z plus 3W plus 2 iota W equals 5 plus 6 iota. Now we are going to add both these equations. Okay. Adding these equations. And we get, okay, yes, 2 iota Z plus 3W minus 2 iota W. Now this side is added with the left hand side of the second equation, so we get plus Z minus 2 iota Z plus 3W plus 2 iota W equals to, right hand side of the first equation is 1 plus iota, and the right hand side of the second equation is 5 plus 6 iota. Now we are going to add all these terms, so we get these two terms cancelled, and we can also get these two terms cancelled, so we get Z plus 3W plus 3W is plus 6W equals 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 6 plus 1 is 7 iota. So we get Z equals to 6 plus 7 iota minus 6W. Now we are going to use this value of Z in either of the two equations. I guess this one is easier because it is only having 2 iota with it, and for this we'll have to multiply it all. So we can write here, first of all we are going to write putting Z in equation 1. Okay, So now we are going to put it over here, and we get 2 iota into 6 plus 7 iota minus 6w plus 3 minus 2 iota into w equals 1 plus iota. Now 2 iota into 6 is 12 iota plus 7 into 2 14 iota square minus 6 into 2 is 12 iota w plus 3w minus 2 iota w equals 1 plus iota. Shifting it a bit downwards. Now we get 12 iota plus 14 into iota square is minus 1 minus 12 iota w plus 3w minus 2 iota w equals 1 plus iota. Now we get minus 14 over here. So minus 14 over here becomes plus 14 over there. And plus 12 iota becomes minus 12 iota. We're just going to let the w terms remain over here. So minus 12 iota w minus 2 iota w is minus 14 iota w plus 3w equals 1, and here it is minus 14, over there it becomes plus 14. 1 plus 14 plus iota as it is, and then plus 12 iota becomes minus 12 iota. Okay, taking w common over here, we get 3 minus 14 iota equals 1 plus 14 is 15 and minus 11 iota. Now w equals 15 minus 11 iota whole divided by 3 minus 14 iota. Now here again there is a complex number in the denominator, so we are going to rationalize it. Rationalization means multiplying and dividing it by the conjugate of complex number written in the denominator. So its conjugate is 3 plus 14 iota divided by 3 plus 14 iota. Now it is equal to 15 into 3 plus 14 iota minus 11 iota into 3 plus 14 iota whole divided by. Now these denominators again multiply to form the formula of a minus b to a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square, where a is 3 and b is 14 iota. So 3 square minus 14 iota square equals to 15 into 3 is 45 plus 15 into 14 is 210. Yes, 210 iota minus 33 iota minus 14 into 11 is 154 iota square whole divided by 3 square is 9 minus 14 square is 196 iota. 196 iota square. Now we get w equals to 45. Now here it becomes minus 154 into minus 1, because we know the value for iota square, which is minus 1. Now here it is 210 minus 33, which we get plus 190. Sorry, not 90. 210 minus 33 is 177 iota whole divided by 9 minus 196 into minus 1, because iota square equals minus 1, equals to 45 plus 154, it is equal to 199 plus 177 iota whole divided by 9 plus 196 is 205. Now this is your answer for w. Now we have to find the value of z. So the formula for z was z equals 6 plus 7 iota minus 6w. We can write it over here. 6 plus 7 iota minus 6w. Now we are going to use the value of w over here. So we get equals to 6 plus 7 iota minus 6 into w is 199 plus 177 iota whole divided by 205 equals to. Now we are going to multiply all of this with 205, so we get 205 into 6 plus 7 iota minus 6 into 199 plus 177 iota whole divided by 205. Now z equals 205 into 6, we get 1230 plus 205 into 7 is 1435 1435 iota because 7 is containing an iota with it, and minus 6 into 199 we get minus 199 into 6 is 1194, 94, so 4 iota, not iota, wrong. Okay, minus 1194, and then we get minus 177 into 6. 177 into 6 is 1062 iota, whole divided by 205 equals to 1230 minus 1194. 1230 minus 1194 equals 36, plus 1435 minus 1062 gives us 373 iota, whole divided by 205. So now you can see over here that this is your value for Z and this is your value for W, and this is our answer. Now we are going to start the next part of question 4, which is part number 3. It says 3 by iota into Z minus 6 plus 2 iota into W equals 5. And the second equation is iota by 2 into Z plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 iota into W equals 1 by 2 plus 2 iota. Here we can see that first of all we have to rationalize this term so that we can remove the denominator from this whole equation, and we have to take LCM over here and then multiply all these terms by 4 so that we can remove 4 and 2 from the denominator. So first of all we are going to rationalize all these terms, so we get 3 by iota. How do we rationalize? We multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the complex number in the denominator. Here the denominator is iota, so its conjugate is minus iota into Z minus. The rest of the terms would remain unchanged. 6 plus 2 iota into W equals 5. So 3 into minus iota gives us minus 3 iota Z whole divided by minus sign remains unchanged, and iota into iota gives us iota square, which is equal to minus 1 minus 6W minus 2 iota W equals 5. Now minus into minus 1 gives us 1, so minus 3 iota Z minus 6W minus 2 iota W equals 5, and here we can say that this is equation 1. Now we are going to solve this one, so we get here we are going to multiply all of this equation by 2. Multiplying by 2, which means 4, because the highest number is 4 now, so we have to multiply it with 4, and which means that we have to multiply each and every term in this equation by 4. So we get 4 iota by 2Z plus ब्रैकेट के अंदर आ जाएगा 4 into 3 by 4 minus 4 into 1 by 2 iota into W equals 4 by 2 plus 4 into 2 iota. Now here we can see we can cancel all these terms. So 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and this. Okay. 2 iota Z plus 3 minus 2 iota into W equals 2 plus 8 iota. So now we can get 2 iota Z plus 3W minus 2 iota W equals 2 plus 8 iota. Now we are going to similarize the coefficients of Z in both equations. Here the coefficient of Z is minus 3 iota, and here the coefficient of Z is 2 iota. So we are going to multiply 2 with 3 and 3 with 2. So multiplying all of this equation with 2 and multiplying all of this equation with 3. So multiplying it with 2, we get minus 6 iota Z minus 12 W minus 4 iota W equals 5 into 2 is 10. And here multiplying all of this equation with 3, we get 6 iota Z plus 3 into 3 is 9W minus 6 iota W equals 6 plus 24 iota. Now we are going to add both these equations, okay? Just I'm writing over here. Okay. Now by adding them, we are going to add the left hand side with the left hand side and the right hand side with the right hand side. So we get minus 6 iota Z minus 12W minus 4 iota W plus 6 iota Z plus 9W minus 6 iota W equals 10 plus 6 plus get minus 6 iota z plus 6 iota z, which are cancelled, and minus 2w plus 9w is minus 3w, minus 4 iota w minus 6 iota w is minus 10 iota w equals 10 plus 6 is 16 plus 24 iota. Now we can write this as w into minus 3 minus 10 iota equals 16 plus 24 iota. W equals 16 plus 24 iota, and this term would be divided over here, so minus 3 minus 10 iota. Now we are going to rationalize it because there is a complex number in the denominator. How do we rationalize? We multiply and divide the fraction with the complex number of the conjugate of the complex number in the denominator. So its conjugate would be minus 3 plus 10 iota, and it is also divided over here. Now we are going to multiply these two complex numbers, so we get 16 into minus 3 plus 10 iota plus 24 iota into minus 3 plus 10 iota whole divided by, here it is a minus b into a plus b, where a is minus 3 and b is 10 iota, and this formula is equal to a square minus b square, so minus 3 square minus 10 iota whole square equals, now 16 into minus 3, it is equal to 48, so minus 48 plus 160 iota minus 24 into 3 is 72 iota plus 240 iota square whole divided by, minus 3 square is 9 minus 10 square is 100 into iota square. Now w equals minus 48 plus 240 into minus 1. This is plus 240 and iota square gives us minus 1, and plus 160 minus 72 gives us 88. So we are going to write it over here, plus 88 iota whole divided by 9 minus 100 into iota square gives us minus 1 equals minus 48 minus 240 plus 88 iota whole divided by 9 plus 100 equals minus 240 and 48 gives us minus 288 plus 88 iota whole divided by 109. Now we have found the value of w, which is minus 288 plus 88 iota divided by 109. Now we also have to find the value of z. To find the value of z, we are just going to put this value of w in any of these equations, 1 or 2. I guess 1 is easier because, no, 2 is also easier. No, 1 is easier because it only has 5 on its right side, but it has also a complex number in its right side. So equation 1 is easier, which is minus 3 iota z minus 6w minus 2 iota w equals 5. So we are going to write it down over here. We get minus 3 iota z minus 6w minus 2 iota w equals 5. So now we are going to use the value of w over here. So minus 3 iota z minus plus minus 6 minus 2 iota into w equals 5 minus 3 iota z plus minus 6 minus 2 iota into w is minus 288 plus 88 iota whole divided by 109 equals 5. So now we are going to do this multiplication. So we get minus 3 iota z. This minus is taken common over here, so we get minus into 6 plus 2 iota, and then we are also going to take minus common from here, so this sign becomes positive, and here it becomes 288 minus 88 iota whole divided by 109 equals 5. Now we are going to multiply this term with 109, so we get 3 into 109, which is 327 minus 327 iota z plus 6 into 288 minus 88 iota plus 2 iota into 288 minus 88 iota equals to 5 into 109, which is equal to 545. now this would become minus 327 iota z plus 6 into 288, 6 into 288, it is 1728, minus 6 into 88 is 528 iota, plus 2 into 288 is 576 iota, minus 88 into 2 is 176 iota square equals 545 will remain as it is. So now minus 327 iota z plus 1728 minus 176 into minus 1, so we get plus 1728 minus 176 into minus 1, and minus 528 plus 576. 576 minus 528 is 48, so we are going to write it over here, plus 48 iota equals 545. So minus 327 iota z plus 1728 plus 176 is 1728 plus 176 is 1904. We are going to shift this 1904 over here, so it will become negative 545 minus 1904 minus 48 iota minus 327 iota z equals to 545 minus 1904 is 1 minus 1359 minus 48 iota. Taking all these negative signs common and cancel them, we get 327 iota z equals to 1359 plus 48 iota. Now z equals 1359 plus 48 iota whole divided by 327 iota. Now we are going to cancel these out. We are going to take 3 common in the numerator as well as in the denominator, so we get 3 into 453 equals 1359. So here we are going to write 453 plus 16 iota whole over, because 3 into 16 gives us 48 whole divided by 3 into 109 iota gives us 327 iota. So this 3 and 3 cancel and we get 453 plus 16 iota divided by 109 iota. Now there is a term containing iota in the denominator, so we are going to multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the complex numerator in the denominator. So we get okay, we are not going to write 109 again. 109 will be as it is. We are just going to multiply and divide it with minus iota equals to minus iota into this term gives us minus 453 iota minus 16 iota squared whole divided by 109 iota into minus iota minus as it is, then 109 also as it is, and iota squared equals to minus 16 into iota square gives us minus 1, minus 453 iota remains as it is whole divided by minus 109 into iota square gives us minus 1. Now z equals minus 16 into minus 1 gives us 16 minus 453 iota whole divided by 109. This negative and negative sign makes it positive, and this is your final answer for z. So I'm going to enclose it in a rectangle, and this is your answer. The next part is part number 4, which says 1 by 1 minus iota into z plus 1 plus iota into w equals 3, and the second equation is 2 by iota into z minus 2 minus 3 iota into w equals 2 plus 6 iota. First of all, we are going to rationalize it so that iota is removed from the denominator. So we get, okay, 1 by 1 minus iota. How do we rationalize it? We multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the complex number in the denominator, and its conjugate is 1 plus iota divided by 1 plus iota. Plus 1 into w is w plus iota, w equals 3. So 1 into 1 plus iota is 1 plus iota whole divided by a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, where a is 1 and b is iota. So 1 square minus iota square plus w plus iota w, okay, z is missing here, equals 3. So we get 1 plus iota divided by 1 square is 1 minus iota square is minus 1 into z plus w plus iota w equals 3. So now 1 plus iota divided by 1 plus 1 is 2z plus w plus iota w equals 3. Now we are going to multiply it with multiply by 2. So by multiplying this equation by 2 we get this 2 and the 2 multiplied will be cancelled and we get 1 plus iota into z plus w into 2 plus 2 iota equals 3. This is your equation number 1. Now we are going to solve this one. So it is 2 by iota into z. So we are going to multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the complex number written in the denominator. The denominator has the complex number iota. So we are going to multiply and divide it by minus iota minus 2 minus 3 iota into w is equals to 2 plus 6 iota. 2 into minus iota we get minus 2 iota whole divided by minus as it is, and iota into iota gives us iota square, and iota square equals minus 1 and plus w into minus 2 plus 3 iota equals 2 plus 6 iota. Now minus into minus 1 gives us 1, so it is equal to, sorry, yes, it is equal to minus 2 iota z, so minus 2 iota z plus w into minus 2 plus 3 iota equals 2 plus 6 iota. Now this one is going to be our equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 we are going to find the value of z, okay, here it is 1 plus iota into z equals to 3 minus w into 2 plus 2 iota. Now z equals 3 by 1 plus iota minus w into 2 plus 2 iota by 1 plus iota. Now we are going to rationalize both these fractions. Z equals to 3 by 1 plus iota. How do we rationalize this term? We multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the complex number in the denominator, which is 1 minus iota minus w into 2 plus 2 iota into 1 minus iota whole divided by 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota. Now z equals 3 into 1 minus iota is 3 minus 3 iota whole divided by a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square minus w into 1 into 2 plus 2 iota is 2 plus 2 iota minus iota into this term is minus 2 iota minus 2 iota square whole divided by a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Now this is going to be z equals 3 minus 3 iota whole divided by 1 square is 1 and minus into iota square is minus 1 minus w into 2 into 2 minus 2 into minus 1 because iota square equals minus 1 plus 2 iota minus 2 iota are cancelled whole divided by 1 square is 1 minus iota square is minus 1. Okay, z equals 3 minus 3 iota whole divided by 1 plus 1 is 2 minus w into 2 minus 2 into minus 1 is 2 plus 2 which is 4 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. Z equals, now we have to take 2 as LCM and we get 3 minus 3 iota minus 4w. Now we are going to use this value of z in which equation? Let's see. In this equation to find the value of w. So value of z is 3 minus 3 iota minus 4w whole divided by 2. So here we get minus 2 iota into z is 3 minus 3 iota minus 4w whole divided by 2 plus w into minus 2 plus 3 iota equals to 2 plus 6 iota. Now this 2 and this 2 are cancelled and minus iota is multiplied with all these terms, so we get minus iota into 3 is minus 3 iota, minus into minus is plus 3 iota into iota is 3 iota square, minus into minus is positive sign for as it is and iota w. Minus 2w minus plus 3 iota w equals to 2 plus 6 iota. Now minus 3 iota plus 3 into iota square is minus 1 plus 4 iota w plus 3 iota w is plus 7 iota w minus 2w minus 3 when brought over here becomes plus 3, and minus 3 iota when brought over here becomes plus 3 iota. Now w into minus 2 plus 7 iota equals to 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 6 plus 3 is 9 iota. Now we get w equals to 5 plus 9 iota whole divided by minus 2 plus 7 iota. Now we are going to rationalize it. Rationalization means multiplication and division by the conjugate of the complex number in the denominator, which is minus 2 minus 7 iota. So we get w equals to 5 into minus 2 minus 7 iota plus 9 iota into minus 2 minus 7 iota whole divided by these terms make a plus b into a minus b, where a is minus 2 and b is 7 iota. So a square minus b square. W equals to 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 minus 35 iota. 9 into 2 is minus 18 iota. Minus 9 into 7 is 50, not 50, it is 63 iota square whole divided by minus 2 square is 4, minus 7 square is 49 into iota square is iota square. W equals to minus 10 minus 63 into iota square is minus 1, and minus 35 minus 18 give us minus 53 iota whole divided by 4 minus 49 into minus 1. Now we get W equals to minus 10 plus 63. So 63 minus 10 is 53 minus 53 iota whole divided by 4 plus 49, which is W equals to 53 into 1 minus iota whole divided by 4 plus 49 is 53. We cancel them and W equals to 1 minus iota. Now we are going to put this value of W over here. So we get Z equals to 3 minus 3 iota minus 4 into 1 minus iota. This is the value of W, okay? And whole divided by 2. So Z equals to 3 minus 3 iota minus 4 plus 4 iota whole divided by 2. So 3 minus 4 gives us minus 1. Z equals to minus 1. Minus 3 plus 4 gives us minus iota whole divided by 2. So it is equal to minus 1 plus iota whole divided by 2. So here we can see that this is the value of W